So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and see if you can make calls on your iPhone without having a phone number. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe you're trying to go through and call somebody on your iPhone when you don't actually have a phone number or a SIM card installed onto your device. Now, there's a couple of ways to do this. If you do have iMessage enabled on your iPhone, you can make certain types of calls via your Apple ID as long as you're on Wi-Fi. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi and you have somebody's iCloud, email, or if you have their phone number, you could go through and try calling them as long as they have FaceTime enabled. You can try FaceTime calling them or FaceTime audio them, give you the capability of being able to call them. So go through, open up FaceTime, see if that'll give you the capability, and that is one of the easiest things you can basically do. Now, if that doesn't work, or if that's not working out for you, what you can also do is you can download a third-party application like Google Voice or one of these types of applications. These types of apps will kind of give you like a temporary third-party type of phone number, and they'll basically allow you to go through, install this app, create an account, and they'll give you like a phone number that you can basically use. Now keep in mind, this is a third-party type of phone number. It's not going to be giving you all the cool features, and you'll still need Wi-Fi to make calls. But that is just another idea that you can do there if you do have an iPhone. So those are just a few different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.